Welcome to part 19 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course. Today we will learn about compound paths in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, make a lowercase a and convert it to an outline. Now this is not a text, instead this is a shape now. Now zoom in to where it fills most of your window. Click on it with the direct selection tool and you will notice that there are two shapes. The clear part inside the letter and the black parts of the letter. But notice there is no way to select them as separate objects or ungroup them. When two shapes are combined into one like this, it is called a compound path. This may be easier to see by making a color-filled rectangle and placing it behind the letter. With the shape of the letter selected, go to Object, Compound Path, Release. Now choose Ungroup to separate them into two different objects like we are familiar with. Since they will both have the same fill, you need to change the fill of the smaller shape to white. There are two paths. The inside path is with white fill. You might want to change this or another two shapes back into a compound path if you have a situation where your letter appear over a pattern or color. Here the white interior of the letter would remain white unless we selected both shapes and went to Object, Compound Path, Make. Now this is one compound path. Compound paths are useful for many things other than letter. Try making a donut by making two circles, then making them a compound path. That's all in our part 19 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment.